Hey, good morning, Frank. Yes, we are live in Darien Lake in beautiful Corfu, New York, just a short 45-minute drive from Niagara Falls. And we luckily have 10 families with us. Good morning, everybody. Okay, where are you all from? Wow, okay, so we've got everything from Burlington, Owen Sound, we've got people in Toronto, people from all over Ontario joining us this morning here live on Breakfast Television. We're having so much fun. Chris Thorpe, good morning, or Chris Gretzky, I should say. What am I wearing? I guess these are hockey gloves?
These are hockey gloves.
Okay, and we've got Canadian representation.
Team
I've got
Canada.
my cape on here, so we're going to celebrate Canada. Okay, so I'm going to try to, I'm apparently supposed to shoot these targets here, right?
Yeah, fire them up.
So I'm going to fire it up. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm so good. Look at me. Oh, I'm so great. Oh. Talk about that. No, don't let it. No, that's me doing it, not him. All right, Chris, this is one of the new attractions here at Darien Lake, and it's called Slapshot.
Slapshot. It's a new NHL-style skill shootout competition where you try to hit all 4 targets in the net. It's a great game for anybody who loves the game of hockey. It's great to come out and rip pucks every morning.
Yeah, and you get, this is one of the prizes.
That's one of the prizes. Team Canada, we also have an array of NHL teams. You'll see Toronto Maple Leafs up there.
I was going to say, there's the Leafs over there.
You know, of course, we're Sabre fans a little bit here.
We need to put this in the middle, though. Yeah. Because we got to replace this with that.
Yeah, sure.
Well, there's so much going on here at Darien Lake, and one of the things is I love that at night there's lots to do as well. So take a look at this. This is the Laser Light Show. Tell me a bit about that.
Our Laser Light Show, we end every night with an extravaganza of laser and fireworks each evening. You can come out, it starts at 10 o'clock every night. Wonderful show, interactive music, it gets everybody dancing. There's choreographed glow-ons that go with the show, so you can dance and sing along. Everything. We even have a special tribute to Canada in the laser show, which is a wonderful tribute to all of our guests that come from Canada here every day, as well as a celebration of fireworks at the end.
It's so great, and it seems like you guys pull out all the stops when you're here. You can't not stay up and take a look at this fireworks show. I was in my hotel and I had to take a look outside at this beautiful fireworks show. It's one of the biggest parties here in Western New York, so when you're here at Darien Lake, you have to definitely check out the Laser Light Show. Okay.
All right, we're going to go?
We are going to keep playing Slapshot here, and I'm going to work on my hockey skills because I can't even get it into the net. So you're watching Breakfast Television. We are live in Darien Lake. Back to you.